Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Padhenge to Badhenge in Math Mastery. So today we are continuing in reverse indirect inverse proportion and now today's day 4th continued. Starting of my session, okay, trick or shortcut I'm giving, worker days, okay, this symbol I've given, remember speed, time, pipe, filling time, cross multiplication I've showed, okay. I've shown many problems in the previous past how to do the cross multiply. One basic example. 8 workers take 15 days. How many days will 15 workers take? 8 into 15 is equal to 12 into x. All the steps I have ignored, okay. X is equal to 8 into 15 by 12. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 3 1 is 3, 5 is 15, 5 2 is 10 is the answer. So this is hardly takes 3 seconds. Less than a shortcut video. So this is how you practice. So guys, previously I've told shortcut video. What it was meaning was that, okay, a short video of YouTube takes more than 30 seconds, but the question, if you start practicing that similar type of pattern and stepwise, it takes less than 3 seconds. My meaning was that. Now moving back to our next question, okay, so it's tough and challenging. We need to solve the step-by-step method. If 25 workers can complete a project in 24 days, after 8 days, 15 workers leave the project. 25 workers were there, can complete a project in 24 days. After 8 days, okay, project, 15 workers leave the project. In how many days will the remaining project get completed? Okay, we need to understand. So let's start solving step by step. So our first step will be step 1. As I have start my question and answer, okay, step 1. In 25 days, a project can be completed in 25 workers complete the project in 24 days, 25 into 24. Step 2, work done in first 8 days, because after 8 days, 15 workers left the project, okay. So till 8 days, we have to take out the details, okay. Step 1, 25 into 8. Step 3. Okay, so what is that? 25 into 24 is the first one. Step 2 was 24 into 8. This one, okay, in 24 days, in 8 days, after 8 days, okay, after 8, till 8 days, 25 workers were doing, okay, that's why 25 into 8. Step 3 is that we will minus it, minus step 1 minus step 2. 25 into 24 is 600, 25 into 8 is 200, 600 minus 200 is 400. Step 4 is 25 minus 15, because in 25 days the work can be completed, okay. After 15, after 8 days, okay, initially 25 workers was there, and then what it happened, 15 workers was there. So how many workers were left? 25 minus 15, 10 workers were left, okay. And this already we have taken out 10 worker day, 10 worker days or 10 days we can tell in a short. So step 5 will be 400 days worker days minus divided by 10, okay. So 25 minus 10, this 15 minus 10, 400 divided by 10 is 40 days. Then answer will be 40 more days. In how many more days will be remaining? So in how many more days, okay. So if you see 1 2 3 4 5, okay, step 1 is multiplying, step 2 is also multiplying, step 3 step 1 minus step 2, step 4 is again minus the actual days, actual workers, step 5 is dividing, okay. In 5 steps we have completed the whole problem. If you follow the stepwise, step 1 2 and all, okay, you can solve the things very fast. Bring up some more question, okay. So step 4, step 4, day 4 will be continued for the third day in the coming session. Thank you all, goodbye, and do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you like such videos. Thank you.